Hello, my name is Peter Reynolds. I would like to introduce you to Click Witchery. This is an interactive media platform which allows you to create visual presentations which you can show on the web. I'm going to show an example of this here. As you can see, when I click on this, I see a picture of a garden. Here I click on a different area. To the side it shows a map of the house. I can click on that and then see the subsequent level. Similarly, I can click on the camera icon and see a picture of various things within the house. I'm now going to show you how this is created. You can log into Click Witchery and create an account by using Google+, Twitter or Facebook. You can also create an account manually. I have done that and I've logged in here, and when you log in you see a list of your Click Witchery presentations. I'm going to create a new presentation which I'm going to call Tour, and I'm calling it a quick tour of Click Witchery. And as you can see here, the metadata associated with this presentation is already there. The name is Tour, description, a quick tour of Click Witchery. The status is enabled. The other status is available or disabled so that you can work on the presentation without it being shown, and removed, which deletes the presentation. The URL is a link that you can give to people to show the presentation, or you can create code that you can put into another web page and have the presentation embedded in that web page. So I'll start creating the presentation. And I'll start by creating my first object. I'm going to upload a picture of the house that we've seen before. And I will just name it house. When I do that, I just click on the place here for text, put in the name of house, and then click the correct mark to confirm that change. I'm going to give it a short description. This house we want to present. And again, click on the correct mark. I'm not going to worry about any external link. So I'm fine with that. I'm now going to add some graphics that we will be able to connect to from this picture. So I will start with the garden. In this case here, I'm not going to worry too much about the graphic, about the metadata for the object, but I can put in a name. The type, the element navigation type, allows it to be either an internal resource such as a graphic that we've uploaded, or an external resource, for example a YouTube video. You can put in a short description. Standard color and the backlit color we'll see in a minute when I add the navigation area for this object. And I can also add tooltips, links, a title for the link, or a custom icon. So I am fine with this, and what I'm going to do is just mark the area that is the garden, and I'm just doing this using a polygon that the Click Witchery tool allows me to create. As you can see, once I've done that, it is colored shaded in the area, so that when I hover the mouse over that area on the house graphic, it will show me a picture of the garden. I'm going to add one or two more objects. The next thing I'll do is add a map of the downstairs floor. And in this particular case, I'm not going to worry about the metadata. I'm just going to use the polygon to mark out the area of the downstairs floor. And I've done that. So I'm fine with that. I want to explore this further. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard and go to the map area, and then I'm going to edit that map area and add the camera icons that you saw in the example I gave earlier. And I'm going to have the picture of the inside of the house. And I'm just going to insert a camera icon here. And similarly, we can go on adding more things and so on. And when we're ready to display this, we can either display it using the URL, or we can generate code that we embed in another web page. So thank you very much. I hope you find this interesting, and I hope you find using Click Witchery interesting.